Wrong drainage. Stall warning screaming. June 14th, 2007. Cessna 172 N6233E. Experienced pilot with 1,000 hours, 760 in type, departs Johnson Creek, Idaho backcountry for Big Creek. Breakfast flight, flying up a canyon drainage, he realizes it's the wrong one. Stall horn blares. No time or room to turn around. The 172 can't outclimb the rising terrain at this density altitude control lost. Aircraft spirals into mountainside at 8,000 feet. Pilot killed instantly. Passenger survives the impact. NTSB, wrong routing selection, failure to maintain terrain clearance. Found 3 days later. Mountain canyon flying demands constant escape route awareness.